Hello students, today we learn about um, partial fraction type 2. In this type we find the partial fraction with a repeated factor. What is the meaning of repeated factor? Let's see through an example. This is one of the very important type of partial fraction. Let's see example here. For numerator is 4x square minus 3x plus 5 and denominator is x minus whole square into x plus 2. If we see here, the degree of the numerator is 2 and the degree of denominator would be, you can guess, this will be quadratic while we open and this is linear. So the degree of the denominator is 3. In this case, how we find the partial fraction? This is our today's class. And first of all, student try by the process of type 1, and we would expect the partial fraction to be like this: a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1. Here x minus 1 whole square is given, therefore student try to do a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 plus c by x plus 2. But if we do this, we can't get the denominator of LHS, so our process will be failed. This will be wrong. Look here, the LCM, if you take, it will be x minus 1 and here will be a plus b. Then there is no chance to get denominator x minus whole square plus x minus whole square into x plus 2 in this side. And so student can try another process, and student may write a by x minus 1 whole square plus b by x plus 2 whole square, but this will be wrong. This is quadratic, this is linear, and in type 1, if denominator is linear, then we write here constant, but here the denominator is linear but repeated. That means if we open this formula, we will get quadratic. If denominator is quadratic, numerator must be linear. So this process also we can't find. If you try also, you may fail here. Look here. If you try here, you will write this, and then while you solve by process of type 1, while putting x equal to minus 2, you can eliminate a here and you will get the value of b. B is 3. Look, and then if you put x equal to 1, you can eliminate b and you will get a is equal to 2. If you put here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3, you can't get this numerator here. It will be different, so it will be wrong, and so this process also we can't follow. That means if denominator is quadratic, the numerator must be linear, either or we can follow another process. So this is wrong. Now what is the another process? So let's do this. And for actually, while we solving this, we can do like this. Look here. First you write a by x minus 1 whole square plus b by x minus 1 plus c by x plus 2. If you write this, while taking LCM of this first and second, you will get denominator x minus 1 whole square, and numerator you will get a plus b into x minus 1. That means here will be a linear function. And while you take the LCM here, you will get the identities very easy, and then you can follow the type 1 and you can easily find the value of a, b and c. And this may be one of the process, either or you can write in this way also. Look here, this denominator is x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2, so